Alright, night shift. Got the subrail here. Raced in subrail. And I got a tiny piece of 16 gauge. I'm going to have to make this Subrail flange in 2 pieces. That's what I'm working on tonight. So I know that this curve here is a number 4 sweep. Fits pretty good. So I'm going to use that. And this is also not quite straight. Yeah, that's not quite a straight line either. But it's not a 4. I gotta figure that one out. I thought this was straight also, but it's not, because it's only like a 2-inch flange on this end. In the middle, it's 2 3/8, and back on the edge, it's 2-inch again. So this is gonna be kind of hard to make. It's gonna be a bunch of measuring to figure out the shape of it, but I think I got it. I can figure it out. So I'm doing it 2 halves because that's the size of sheet metal I have, and yeah, we'll just go from there. I don't have to put a corner on it because, well, it's in the blaster, but the corner's already on it. I want to get this done, maybe make 2 sets if I get it done quick enough. Actually, I should just do 2 sets anyway, because I can clamp them together and grind them as 1 piece, and I'll have 2 flanges. Alright, you saw me doing that, cutting those pieces out. I got 2 here, and 2 here that I already cut the size, and I'm going to weld together. So, got the welder on. I'm just going to grind a little bit on each side of this, so I get a nice weld that together, grind it flush, and then kind of do a test, put it on this, and see how close it is. I know I gotta trim this edge here, at least grind it down, so let's get going. A lot of work to do. Alright, so I'm working double time right now. I'm gonna start welding that gutter while this compressor catches up. I'll do a little bit at a time, and then I'll go weld that. When the compressor kicks off, I run over here. I'll do a little bit, and then jump back over there. You know, I'm gonna get in the groove. Alright, so starting to weld this stuff up. Got this welded here. This was a big gap, so that looks kind of ugly, but it'll be better. Then I gotta weld all this and all this, and same on the other side. Hammer down. I also have a good lead on a 32 chassis and something else as a package deal. So I need to work my ASS off so I can get that stuff. Also selling the Tudor. So if anybody who wants a Tudor, send me an email. It's right here. I don't want to sell it, but I have to sell it. So, you know, good value there. You know, it runs, it's lowered, it's got tube shocks, and I gotta put the rear tube shocks in, but I'll do that before I sell it to anybody. Unless they don't care, they can have the stuff with it. Gotta get a ton of work done. I really can't pass up on this opportunity, so I need to get that sold so I can buy the chassis and stuff. So, back to work. Hey, Taco Bill.
I'll open it.
Got some goodies.
I'll open it. You can open it.
Whoa. He was kind enough to pick this up for me and ship it out. Fingers away from the knife. Box.
Oh. Ah!
Whoops.
Multiple things going on.
Oh. Making a debut on Kelly Bills.
You are.
There's more in here than I bought. Bill. Ow. What do we got here? Oh, I ripped this. I think it's a shirt. Yeah, I was just talking to Joe Lanny. I saw he had one of these shirts.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, dude, where'd you get that shirt? Taco Bell picked me up one. Kennedy Bros. This is where we got all of our 3-window sheet metal from. So thanks, big thanks to Kennedy Brothers for finding that stuff and putting it up for sale. Oh shit, more Kennedy Brothers stuff. Kennedy Brothers Pomona sticker and official. Oh, signed by Joe and Jeff Kennedy. Pretty sure it's Joe and Jeff. Look at that, tree window coupe, another one. We gotta put that inside.
Don't let the boys get it.
Yeah, don't let the boys get that one. What do we have here? This is a K member and a set of pedals that go on the K member. Killer. And he gave me a plate. How awesome. OG California plate. I had no idea he was doing this. Bend it. Bend it, Travis. California, 1930. What's going on the wall? Plates. So we need a bushing kit for this. But we got a set of 32 pedals, one piece at a time. Sweet. They're nice. All the stuff is California stuff. So it's not rotted, it's just surface rusted. This is actually an early 32 K member because they did not have the legs on them. But it does come with a pair of legs. We can drill the necessary holes and rivet these in.
All day, well, not all day. I was outside with Trav doing my own thing, and he kept walking out and cleaning the Tudor and whatever. I'm like, is he good? Like, is he sick? Oh, I thought I heard a truck. Was not telling me that this is why he was wondering if a truck was here. Because of all this stuff we just got. Yeah.
So yeah.
Let a girl know.
Surprise. So yeah, there's a bunch of extra holes in this, and stuff that's been cut out, So we're gonna plug up those holes, get it nice, keep all the factory holes, you know, get these riveted on, so it's a real, you know, K member again. We'll be ready for a set of frame rails. All right, so I just quickly marked out which holes I think are not supposed to be here. Obviously that hole. You know, a couple gouges there. Mostly all these holes. This one's supposed to be here. But you know what? I'm thinking I might just fill it all. These aren't supposed to be here. These are, for some reason. Yeah, probably just going to end up filling this whole section. Just because it's flat and there's too many holes in it, and I can probably just drill whatever holes I need to. So probably I'll keep this elongated one here and then kind of just go up, over, down, just fill all this back in solid. I don't know, or use as much, yeah, but do I use as much, you know, factory steel as I can, or do I just, you know, do what any normal person would do and just cut it out and fill it with new? I know the old stuff's better, but I don't know. Figure it out. But otherwise, this is a great K member. There's nothing wrong with this. Really thick. It's not rotted. It's just been, you know, torched and welded on. So, you know, I might do that. I might just fill all of these holes, even these. Fill them all. Fill all these. You know, obviously leave the ones that need to be here. Yeah, you know, I'm glad I got all the roof stuff welded in today. So now I really just need to hammer dolly, grind off all the welds on this, and then do the insert. So tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday's metal finishing. Hopefully we can start to tack the insert in, but we'll see. We'll see how things progress, but I would hope I can do that, metal finish all the stuff in the morning, in the afternoon work on the insert, at least get the whole thing tacked in. I always have grand ambitions of what I want to do for the day, and it never ends up happening, but I still get some stuff done. So, you know, see what happens. I hope it does. Fingers crossed. All we can do is try, right? Catch you guys tomorrow.